Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing both devices so pairing is quick and stable. First, charge the controller and power it off. This prevents interruptions. Next, open your phone's Bluetooth settings and keep the screen awake so you can confirm pairing. Then press and hold the Switch controller's sync button until the LED flashes. This puts it into pairing mode so your phone can discover it. Once done, look for the controller name on your phone and tap to connect. This announces intent and creates the link. After you tap the controller name, your phone negotiates a Bluetooth connection. This exchange shares input and power parameters, so be patient if it takes a few seconds. Make sure to accept any pairing prompts. These establish trusted pairing. Once connected, open a controller tester app or a game with controller support to verify buttons and sticks respond correctly. If axes or buttons are swapped, enable remapping in the app or game settings. This ensures accurate control and reduces lag or misfires during play. To finish, close background apps to reduce Bluetooth contention and ensure the game has priority for input. This improves responsiveness. If the controller disconnects or behaves oddly, forget the device in Bluetooth settings and repeat the pairing steps. This clears stale profiles. Also, make sure your phone OS and controller firmware are up to date, because compatibility fixes often solve intermittent issues. If nothing works, try pairing with another phone to isolate whether the controller or the phone is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.